Hello everyone, today we're gonna do the ghost pepper Daebak spicy chicken noodles challenge again. Today Ryan Genesis wanted to challenge to finish the whole cup noodle. Go! That day was just a few mouthfuls, so today he's going to like challenge the full. Whole cup ah? Ready? 吃啦!
He's going to eat it.
Oh my god, I mean that's so funny. Are you okay? Why do you want to do this challenge? Oh my god.
Let's see, he's going to finish it.
小心，慢慢来。Slowly, slowly, 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 slowly. What?
What? No.
In less than 1 second? Sorry, less than 1 minute.
What? Susie, he just finished all by 1 second really fast.
No, 1 minute, 1 minute, less than 1 minute. I think it's 30 minutes. Daddy finished the whole cup of spicy ghost pepper noodles in less than 1 minute. Yes.
It was so fast. What's up, Daddy?
Are you okay?
You drink milk, milk and spicy noodles. It looks like spicy milk noodle. Last time I tried this really spicy.
You tried that before?
Yeah. It's spicy.
Super spicy.
Remember the other spicy challenge? I was like really nervous. Like I can't eat spicy. Only my sisters. I was like, ah! Check that video. Yeah. You want me to draw yours? Daddy, what's your feel? You funny. Your test is coming out. You should eat really fast.
Oh my god. Your yeah, 怎么你要这样？你怎么要这样？
Your test is coming out.
Why do you want to put yourself through this suffering? Oh my god.
Daddy, are you sure you want to do this challenge? You should not do this challenge, guys. You should not do this. It's so dangerous. Oh my god, Dad! Dad!
The milk is dripping.
Dad! My daddy's really silly.
Aiyo. Our daddy always like to do challenge. Actually, he cannot take spicy food.
Yeah.
Daddy is not really a very spicy noodles eater. Actually, I can eat spicy food. Even to me, it's really very spicy already.
The
Like,
other part me is like
not at, I mean, it's both at the tongue and on the tummy. 你肚子会不会烧? What time is it now? Like 2 a.m. or 3 a.m. 3 a.m. spicy noodle challenge.
Where did you draw yours? When? Stop! Don't draw mine. Then why are you not drawing? I don't. This is coming out.
You want to do this? A little bit off this light.
Nice, banana. I'm going to draw.
You don't go off.
Can you talk? How to feel like? Oh my god. They need to go to the hospital.
They need to go hospital, no?
Tomorrow you go toilet how?
Give ice.
And then I can take some ice cream for daddy. I want to try. You never let me try. Oh my god, that's a few.
This was so sad.
Okay, for those who love to watch torture video, this video is for you guys. Basically, he loves to watch people suffer. Especially like doing challenge or spicy noodle, he always watch that. So yeah, now you have a video of yourself.
Alone.
Yeah, doing the challenge and like
Enough.
suffering.
Enough.
Are you having hallucination?
Do you need a cup full of ice just for you?
You almost finished the milk.
Daddy is so greedy. Yeah, they're so greedy.
Oh, God. Don't do this.
Don't.
Don't do this, guys. Don't do this at home.
Hey, you cannot take spicy. Fuck.
You can't take spicy. You still want to take a challenge.
It's for his own good. It's just for his own good. He must do this for the challenge. Like me. I eat a lot. The next spicy challenge food is now.
This is how the spicy noodles, ghost pepper spicy chicken noodles. You see, a normal chili padi is only,
Chili padi.
yeah, a normal chili, what, they never put. Yeah, jalapeno is only like 8,000, so this is like 1 million. Can or not challenge. How is it? Do you have anything to say? Do you want to say anything? Yes. You want to say anything?
It's very spicy, yeah.
Very spicy on your lips. How about your mouth? Is it spicy?
Yeah, your tongue is like cutting out.
You feel like cutting off your tongue?
Hey, Daddy, this is how I feel when I eat the spicy challenge in the next video just now. Whoa.
How's your belly?
The stomach is okay.
Your stomach is okay.
Keep on burping.
Burping. Is
Even the tears is hot.
your hand is spicy. Don't touch your face.
Don't touch your eye, because last time I go eat spicy food. I do this.
Would you do this challenge again?
No, never.
Your teeth. Never. Wait. The YouTube fans want him to challenge again.
Would
I
you do
never
this?
want to take a blink. Only hot noodle.
Guys, put
So many tissue.
100 subscribe, thumbs up,
Yeah.
Daddy.
Yes, a thumbs up for Ryan Genesis. Woo!
I hope we can get 1,000 likes.
Just hoping the
Yeah,
spice
we
can
never
steam
have
deep
a
down.
YouTube channel. Never, ever, small. Yeah.
Want to kiss me?
No.
You.
Check out my tongue.
Eee. Would you do this challenge again?
No, no more. No more challenge.
See, I told you.
How do you feel?
can't do it.
You don't understand what people want to do, but you can just eat ghost pepper like that.
If you're ready, say you're ready. You're not ready.
Do you feel better now?
Not ready now.
You feel better now?
Slightly going down. They come up like that very fast. When they go down, it's like
How do you feel when you eat all? So basically just swallow everything. Okay, let me check how many. I think you finished in less than 1 minute, like about 30 or 45 seconds.
I got choke halfway when I saw it.
Slowly.
Okay,
You
okay.
should slowly
Anymore.
eat, not fast eat.
Really eat this on your own risk.